Hi, this video is for Abby Fidel on how to change the menus. All you have to do is on the Avada theme, when you're in the back dashboard, I'm already logged in, so it should be pretty easy here. All you have to do is go to Appearance, hover over it, slide down to Menus, click on Menus. And then you'll see here on your theme or your website, we only have one menu and it's at the top. It's the Retro Off Canvas menu. Actually, maybe that's wrong. Sorry. You want to go to the Retro Main menu. Hit Select. And this is what the website main menu is on a desktop. Home, About Abby, Portraits, Forms, Wearable Art. So you said you wanted the About Abby at the end. So I'm going to go ahead and move that. I'm going to leave home where it is because it's usually always first, but you can change that if you want. And then let's move the forms up. So this is in the order. It will go from left to right. So once you've moved them around, you just slide them, move them. It's pretty easy. Just hit Save Menu. And then, as usual, I usually go right over and just look at it here. So let's hit Refresh. And there you go. So you got Home, Forms, Portraits, Wearable Art, and About. Now, let me go back here for a sec, Abby. I've got Retro Main menu. That's the top menu on a desktop, okay? But you probably want to go ahead and change it. This Retro Off Campus menu is for mobile. So I'm going to go ahead and select that and make the same change because I assume you want it on mobile too. So let's go ahead, move Forms up, move About to the bottom, and save the menu. So that will be for the mobile. You could check it on your mobile phone. I'll double check it after this tutorial, but that's all you have to do. That's it. Just call me if you have questions. Bye.